since I was a kid, I used to get bullied because I'm not the same as everybody else. So they see me differently. I also act different because I got bullied for it. And kids used to say that don't play with Xiaofan, don't play with her. They also say, oh, you tell Xiaofan to do the chores. And yeah, I'm not very popular when I was a kid. I started getting more into the fitness industry. And to all the people who bullied me before, they'll probably see me get a little bit PB talk.
伫个街头其实佫得到冠军呢。
安尼哦，啊，佫有咧比赛就对啊，可以得名就无简单啦。
毛鸭皮，
哇，即嘛，你会使，你
哇，举国旗，这就是举国旗啦！
你有法度举国旗哦，
就厉害诶！
你有可能会过关哦。
哇，
唔可能，
无可能，那系无可能，是安那？
我朋友啊，玉山诶丢鞋。
哦，你朋友伫玉山落落来
啊！你安尼，你就帮伊完成。
超过一样。小黄加油！
加油，改变啦，改变啦！
想要嗨起你！想要嗨起你！想要嗨起你！第一关就过啦！
第二关，第二关。